Y'all check out this big old blackbird chowing down on some bread. He's a big old bird. He's fixing to pick up a whole piece of bread and haul ass. I think he sees me. Oh, he's calling a friend. I hear two of them out there. Oh, there's one over there up on that pole. See it up there? There he goes. He grabbed one. Watch this other guy come down from the pole up there. There's one left, buddy. You better come get it. He's thinking about it. There he comes. That's cool. Big old bird. Okay, thank y'all. Gobble, gobble. He ain't gonna eat it. He gonna pick up the whole, look, he breaks it up. He ain't through. He's gonna take the whole bling dang thing. Oh, he's having troubles. He's having trouble getting it. Come on, you almost, there you go. All right, that's pretty doggone cool, y'all. Catch y'all later. God bless and have a nice evening.